Hey guys, so I want to talk about the cost associated with buying a home. Let's not talk about down payment assistance. Let's talk about if you were just coming in with your funds at closing. So us as Nova Home Loans, we charge $13.99. It's called a processing fee. Nothing else. Other lenders may say, oh, our processing is $800, but then yes, they have underwriting that's $300. They got credit pull, they got flood cert, they got this, and this. So we're pretty much middle ground when it comes to that. But then you have third-party fees for closing costs. You're going to have title, taxes, and insurance. They have to collect taxes and insurance for an escrow account. About 90-something% of the loans are done with an escrow account. There's ways you don't have to have one, but just assume you have to. So they have to collect the taxes and insurance. They also have to collect the title fees. The title company is chosen by the real estate agents in the contract typically, and those are third-party fees. So when you're comparing lenders, don't worry about the title and taxes and insurance because that's regulated, and also third-party fees. Compare the lender fees and make sure that you're asking the lender to point out all of what their fees are, because a lot of times when they charge all these little junk fees, they can get confused. But on an average purchase, you're looking around $4,500 to $5,500 in closing costs. Now, that does not include appraisal or home inspection. Appraisals are around $475. Now in this market, they're kind of going up because appraisers are asking for more, but typically they're $475. And then home inspections are around $300 to $400, depending on the home. Like if you got a great big home, it's probably going to cost more to inspect the place. So in closing costs, you're about $4,500 to $5,500 plus appraisal and home inspection. Call that another $900, and then whatever your down payment is. Okay, so down payment can be anywhere between 3% and 5% typically. You can put that little bit down. So that's kind of what you're looking at when it comes to down payment closing costs. Now, one other thing I'd like to throw in there is your earnest money. That's something that you write in the contract that you're putting in earnest, that you are committed to the transaction. That money goes to the title company, who's kind of like the third-party liaison. That goes towards down payment and closing cost on your transaction. It doesn't just disappear. Importantly, make sure you talk to your lender before you give the earnest money to the title company if it's not coming from your own checking account, or if you made a large deposit right before that. Call your lender, discuss that with them, because it's very important. They have to source where funds came from depending on what loan type it is. Anyways, have a good day, guys. Thanks.